To make money on Robinhood with $10, you will need to understand the basics of investing in the Robinhood platform. First, download the Robinhood app and create an account if you have not already done so. Robinhood is a commission-free brokerage firm that allows you to buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. Once you have created your account, deposit $10 into your Robinhood account. You can do this by linking your bank account to the app. Next, you will need to choose what you want to invest in. With $10, your options are limited, but you can consider investing in a penny stock or a fraction of a share of a larger company. Penny stocks are stocks that trade for less than $1 per share. They can be volatile and come with a high level of risk, but they also have the potential for high rewards. Alternatively, you can invest in a fraction of a share of a larger company through Robinhood's fractional share feature. To make money on Robinhood, you will need to sell your investment for more than you paid for it. This means that you will need to keep an eye on the market and wait for the right moment to sell. You can use the Robinhood app to track the performance of your investment and set price alerts to notify you when it reaches a certain price. It is also important to keep in mind that investing always comes with risk, and there is a chance that you could lose some or all of your money. Therefore, it is essential to only invest what you can afford to lose and to never invest more than you can afford. In addition to investing in stocks, you can also make money on Robinhood by earning interest on your uninvested cash. Robinhood offers a feature called Robinhood Cash Management, which allows you to earn a high-yield interest rate on your uninvested cash. In conclusion, making money on Robinhood with $10 requires a solid understanding of the platform and the investments you are making. It is essential to do your research, set clear goals, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With patience, discipline, and the right strategy, you can potentially make money on Robinhood with a small investment.